Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christina and I make lifestyle themed videos on my channel. So if you are new here, definitely go subscribe. But if you saw from the title of this video, this is going to be probably the most realistic day in the life you've ever watched. So if I'm being completely honest, I literally stay in bed until the last possible second before my class starts. And this morning it also snowed and it was really pretty, so I got dressed in clothes that did not match whatsoever. I didn't even care. And I hopped onto my 9:45 class where I actually had a final presentation. There were some other adaptations in like supply chains. For example, 3M started shifting their production to start making masks, and also so after I presented, I just shut my camera off and then I got ready for the day. So I went to the bathroom, got ready, and then I went back to my room, started tidying up a little bit, and then I did all of my makeup.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
Since it snowed and it was really pretty, I went outside and I decided to fly my drone, so here is a little montage of that. So after I came back inside, I had a ton of stuff to do, so I grabbed a snack, and I also had some clam chowder for lunch, which was literally so good. Then I zoomed with a potential videography client, opened up a new Shein package, looked at everything, and also started writing up some new contracts and stuff. And then for dinner, I had some tomato basil soup, a grilled cheese, and also some chocolate milk because it's bomb. I have class now and I didn't even realize. So we're hopping on just a minute late, so it's okay. The tomato soup is actually pretty spicy. My mom put a little bit of red pepper flakes in it and I'm kind of dying. Literally my nose is running and everything. One thing that was on my to-do list was to clean my room, so I honestly just needed to tidy up. It wasn't even that bad. Those are just the dishes that I kind of accumulated throughout the day and I was just throwing away stuff and recycling. As I was cleaning, I was listening to one of my favorite YouTubers, Spill Sesh, and then I also was kind of like redecorating with my vines, so I kind of like the way that it turned out. It looks really cool now. Finally, to end my night, the last thing that I was working on was a final report that was due at midnight. But thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means a lot, and I've never really done a voiceover of a whole day like this before, so I'm not sure if I'll do it again, but let me know in the comments if you liked it. But anyways, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.